Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, how are you?
We are fine. We are fine, thank you.
Yes, okay. Today, take your textbook. Today we are going to study क्या है आओ इसके बाद क्या है क्या है पेज नंबर 13 पेज नंबर से अंगूर से क्या है से अंगूर सीधन से अंगूर इसका अर्थ क्या है ग्रेप्स अंगूर से अंगूर Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Ryan, please mute your mic. से अंगूर. See last letter, page number 14. To बिंदी सर. आहा. क्या है? आहा. आहा. Okay. Yes. See page number 13. Please come. Page number 13. से अंगूर. से अंगूर. Very easy letter. इसके ऊपर one बिंदी. That is First write
से अंगूर.
बिंदी. से अंगूर. Right.
से अंगूर. से अंगूर.
अंगूर. अंगूर काटे. अंगूर. 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 Next one. Next. Aha. Yes. Take your textbook. Take your textbook, page number 13. There, 4 is there. Please join the dots. Don't write a full page in your textbook. Only 4 letter enough from the textbook. Only 4 letter enough. After that, take your notebook. Write 1 page. Only 1 page enough. Very easy letter. That's why only 1 page enough. Clear?
I finished the 4-line
How to
book.
write? 4-line book finish.
2-line book finish.
2-line book finish. Okay. Take another book. Today's in the notebook you write today's date. Write how to write look here one bindi. Okay. इसके ऊपर 1 बिंदी. 1 बिंदी. से अंगूर. इसके ऊपर 1 बिंदी. क्या है? क्या? Right.
I finish my finish
Take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Take new page. Write today's date. Right? Only one page enough. Usually we are writing all letter 2 pages. Only one page enough. Very easy letter.
My finish
Yes, take your notebook.
one page. I finished one page
Who's that? Who is that? Fia.
Yes.
One page finish. Notebook.
Yes.
My God. Only 3 column are you making, Fia? Please make 4 or 5 column. Will finish very fast, Fia. Don't rub it. Don't rub. Don't rub.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Fia, place is there. Make a column in between. Simply don't waste place in your notebook. Maximum use it that. Okay. Right? Say अंकुर. इसका अर्थ क्या है? Grapes. Yes. After that,
Say uncle.
yes. Say say uncle. Yes. After that, we can revise beginning onwards. I will write. Take new page, write yes,
Say
E,
dotted circle alla.
E, U, U, yes, U, U, three.
ടീച്ചർ എഴുതുന്നുണ്ട് അടുത്തത്
Next, please take a new page, right? I, O,
തന്നെ തന്നെ
O, 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 yes, aha. Yes, after please write like this. Take a new page. Okay, after please take new page, right? Yes.
Amy,
Hmm.
I keep it sitting.
After that, please take new page. Write A, se, aha, tak. Please write like this. After writing, again write. I will show how to write. Next, you write A. E. E. Don't write down. After that, please write like this. U. Re. A. I. O. O. Aha. Yes. Right? Please write. Don't write down. E, u. A, se, tak, right? Again, se, again, se, like that. That page full. Clear? So you will get missing letter, before letter, and if you write and study like this, you will get before letter and after letter. If you write and study down, maybe you didn't get. See, we are seeing this one. Before lecture and after lecture. Clear? Yes.
Before lecture,
When you are writing, say the lecture. If you are writing E, write E. E, say Emily. Say the lecture, say the word. Yes. Yes. After that, again write. A. Right? A. Write and study like this. So, we'll get before letter and after letter. U. Re. A. I. O. O. Aha. Please write. A se, aha, tak. Our Swarakshar over. Next week onwards we'll start exam. So please write and study every day all lectures. A se, aha, tak. Write and study. Are you writing? Anmi, are you writing? Yes or no? Huh? Huh? Anmiya?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
I finished.
Rose, finish. Where is your notebook, Rose? Finish. Yes. Right. Take next page and write this. A se aha tak. A se aha tak. Please write. Yes. Hmm? Anmiya, are you playing there? Anmiya, please mute your audio, Anmiya. Hmm? Yes. Only first line, look and write. After that, write by heart. Only first line, look and write. After that, write by heart. Yes. Daksha, are you writing? Daksha. Anthony, are you writing, Daksha? Yes. Malavika, finish?
No.
No.
After what become?
After
What become?
after take new page. See this. Right. Clear?
I cannot see, ma'am.
Border.
What I can see, but I cannot see after what will come.
After aha.
Ma'am,
Oh.
I not finish.
Aha. Malavika, you didn't get a textbook. That's why. Okay. When you will come back here?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. Yes. Next. Nainiga, finish? No.
Yes, ma'am. One finish.
But I'm finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Take next page, new page. Write say aha tak. Aha.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please write fast. Agnes Teresa, finish?
No.
No. I'm finished. No.
Yes.
Yes. Take new page, right? Next. Anna Princeton. Are you writing? Yes. Ashil K. Saji. Ashil K. Saji, I'm finished.
Yes.
Yes. Take new page, right?
I'm
Say.
writing.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Good boy. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Continue. When you are writing, say the letter, say the word.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh.
O.
Ow.
Diya CS, are you tired? Diya?
Ma'am.
Diya CS, are you tired?
No. Ma'am. Ma'am. Finish.
Finish. I'm finished.
I'm finished.
Yes. One by one coming. Yes. Deksha?
Ma'am, my ears are not finished.
Deksha not finished.
And I'm writing.
I am writing. Yes. Say, when you are writing, say the letter. Yes. आहा. Last letter क्या है? आहा. Aha also, also will say, but we have confusion. So say aha. Aha. Ha.
And my first line finished.
First line finish.
O से ऊन. O से
Say.
ऊन. Delay इधर.
When you are writing, don't write down. This write straight. If you are writing straight, you can identify before letter and after letter. If I am asking, U, before letter क्या है? U. After letter, Re. Clear? So, write straight. Yes. Rafan, are you tired? Oof. Rafan Muhammad, I am seeing your action. Rafan, are you tired, Rafan? Huh?
No.
No. Huh? Huh? Yes or no, Rafan? Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No, stop. Don't write now. Take rest, Rafan. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Rafan, take rest. Okay, no problem. Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, okay. Continue. Devadarsh, finish Devadarsh. Devadarsh.
No.
No. Finish.
No.
Not finish. Devadarsh, take new page, write like this one time. Otherwise, please write like this one time. Are you seeing this board?
I write.
Okay, you wrote A se aha tak one time.
Yes.
Ah, very good, very good. Then, are you tired? Take rest and rest. Okay.
ഇത് റെസ്റ്റ്
Yes. Anton's window. Finish Anton's window.
No.
Anton's window. Finish. Eh? No. Yes.
അയ്യോ ഇത് കട്ടാക്കല്ലേ
Not over. Huh? Write by heart. I changed the board. They are looking and writing. So, eh? Ah, write and study. Yes. Agnes, where is your notebook, Agnes? Agnes Teresa. Agnes, okay. Continue. Ashujit, where is your notebook, Ashujit? Ashujit, where is your notebook? Where? Okay, Ashujit. Yes, okay. Ashujit, okay. Anna Princeton, where is your notebook, Anna? Anna Princeton, where is your notebook? Yes, very good. Continue.
Papa Vincent. My friend.
Isha Krishnan. Isha, where is your notebook, Isha Krishnan?
Not finished.
Isha Krishnan, finish?
No.
Yes, continuation. Okay, no problem. Yes. Samanvaya, what happened, Samanvaya? Samanvaya, what happened? Samanvaya? Okay.
കണ്ടില്ലേ ടീച്ചറ് അങ്ങനെ എഴുതി പോട്ടെ താഴേക്ക് എഴുതരുത് കഴിഞ്ഞ അടുത്തത് അത് ബിഫോർ ആഫ്റ്റർ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ടാ
So, please write. Again, I am telling. See, Makle, don't write down. Write straight. So you will get before and letter and after letter.
ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതണം കേട്ടാ എന്നാലേ ബിഫോർ ആഫ്റ്റർ അറിയുള്ളൂ
Next. When you are writing, say the word, say the letter. Yes. Ahyan, I am seeing your fan. Where is Ahyan? Ahyan, where Where you? I'm seeing your fan. So, write and study. Next week onwards, we'll start exam. So, Swarakshar, A se am tak. Please write and study. Every day you write and study letters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Take one draft book. Take one draft book. Write and study.
Okay, ma'am.
When you are writing, write A se am tak one time. Don't write E. Now write and study together. All letter together. So
Okay, ma'am.
before letter and after letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I completed?
Very good. Today our time over.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yes. Bye. 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 Ahian, yes. Okay. Next class I will check your notebook. Next class I will check your notebook.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. I will check next class. Able, okay? Able, okay. Very good.